Hello everybody, Jim second from KSTHL Labels. So we are manufacturers of the woven labels. So we are the woven labels direct factories. We production woven labels, woven tape, woven patch more than 15 years. And we can make out the best quality of the woven labels all over the world. So we also cooperate with many famous brands on the world, and so we, of course, we keep moving. We never stop for the developing the new products. We have investigation so many money on the new products, new styles, new products. The development, so that's why we can make the best labels, because we always on the developing new products, new quality, and that can meet customers' requirement. You know, in this moment, our customers, we need the good garments products, and but also we must match the good accessories for our garments products. So our woven label is very small labels, but I hope you need to pay attention the quality. So one labels can that is very important for our clothing products. So if you're I can say that if your clothing products is very good quality, but you use bad quality accessories, so while products, your clothing products is not good, because the customer checks the accessories, also something is very bad. So that's of course, that's make down your vial products. Thank you.